Hi guys, are you ready to learn some English? Let's go. Today we're going to follow Suzy throughout her day. So you can look at the pictures of Suzy's day and follow along as I read it to you. Suzy wakes up early. Early, which is in the morning, late, but Suzy wakes up early. Suzy brushes her hair. Hairbrush, hair. Suzy brushes her hair. Suzy goes to school. School. Suzy goes to school. At school, Suzy has lunch with her friends. So breakfast, morning, lunch, afternoon, friend. At school, Suzy has lunch with her friends. After lunch, Suzy reads a book. Book. After lunch, Suzy reads a book. After school, Suzy goes home. Home. After school, Suzy goes home. Suzy does her homework. Homework. Suzy does her homework. After she does her homework, Suzy goes to soccer practice. Soccer ball, soccer practice. After she does her homework, Suzy goes to soccer practice. After soccer practice, Suzy has dinner. Dinner, nighttime. After soccer practice, Suzy has dinner. After dinner, Suzy watches TV. TV. After dinner, Suzy watches TV. Suzy doesn't want to brush her teeth before bed. Toothbrush, teeth. Suzy doesn't want to brush her teeth before bed. Suzy goes to bed. Bed, nighttime. Suzy goes to bed.